and show you some modeling game. Modeling toys. Okay. Now I will teach you how to cook. This modeling hot dogs. Here's our finished product. Our materials is 50 punching characters, and then some glue. And also we need some food. And also we need rollers, knife. Okay, let's start. First, get anything clean the outside. I got something. Just roll it. Roll it. Just roll it. Also, we need some rollers. And next, you can do it small or long. Let's put long. There. And next, let's get a knife. Hold your hot dog. Put it like this. Just put corn. Chili and a corn. Chili. And next again. Another introduction. Here is the front and this is the back. 1, 2, 3, and now 4. Ta-da! Okay. Next, put it here. Get on your feet. Put it there. And put that. And next, get another spoon. And next, put it there. And then, put it here. Ta-da! And the last, but not least, get some fish. Put it on a bagel. Where you can put it. Okay. Put it in. Now we got it. Ta-da! This is the finished product. Thank you for watching. This is Sophia's cooking show modeling. You can do what you want, but